Hello, welcome to the Yoga Connection. I'm Master Energy Medicine Yoga teacher Brittany, and today we have a short 5-minute flow for a full body stretch. So let's take a couple of grounding breaths. In through the nose, out through the mouth. 2 more. Return to the natural breath. Inhale, arms overhead. Left hand grabs right wrist, reach up to the sky and over to the left side of the body. Full breath here. Inhale, center. Right hand grabs left wrist, reach up to the sky and over to the right side. Inhale, center. Widen the gap between the palms. Chest comes up to the sky, gaze comes up, low belly is engaged. Hinge at the hips and start to weave figure eights, coming into full forward fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold. Left foot steps back to low lunge. Drop the left knee, untuck the left toes. Stay here for 1 full breath. Release the right knee back to tabletop pose. Wrists directly underneath of shoulders, knees directly underneath of hips. Make any adjustments that you need. 3 rounds of cat-cow. Inhale low. Exhale round. Inhale, belly comes low, chest comes up, tailbone comes up. Exhale to round, chest tucks in, tailbone tucks in. Last time through. Inhale, back to center. Tuck the toes. Send the sit bones high to down dog. Shift the weight forward to high plank. Exhale, low plank. Inhale, chest comes through to cobra or upward facing dog, wherever you're at today. And release the torso to the ground. Hands come in front of the forehead and rock the hips side to side. Find stillness in the hips. Lift the head and neck. Hands come underneath of the shoulders and push up to tabletop pose. 3 rounds of cat-cow. Inhale, drop the belly low. Exhale, round. Push the spine towards the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, low. Exhale, high. Inhale, back to neutral. Left foot steps through the hands to a low supported lunge. Right knee is still on the ground. Inhale to stay. Exhale, tuck the right toes, lift the right knee for low lunge. Inhale to stay. Exhale, right foot steps forward. Full forward fold. Tracing spleen, fingertips to big toes, back to the inside ankle bone. Insides of the legs, out at the waist, up the torso to shoulders and back down, underneath the armpits. Shake it off. Close the eyes and take 2 full breaths. Begin to open the eyes. Come back to your natural breath. Thank you for joining me for this quick 5-minute flow to stretch the full body. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more yoga videos like this, then hit the bell so you're notified of all new videos. See you soon. Stay connected.